Hey, I'm Jake, and I just completed the Adobe Illustrator Tools and Sticker for Beginners course on the Brushcamp website. Actually, the reason I took this course was to learn new knowledge about Adobe Illustrator software, and especially because it was free. At first, I just wanted to experience it, but the knowledge and service they provided were very surprising to me. In this course, I learned about basic geometric thinking, the essential tools of Adobe Illustrator, and how to use them to create unique graphic artworks and sticker sets. This is the assignment that I learned to draw with the following instructor. It's pretty cool, right? And the most special thing about this website is the companion service. This is the first time I participated in an online course through video that also offered a personal mentor who always reminded me to study and to do the exercises. He also helped me correct the errors in my exercises until they were perfect. The companion has directed me towards a new career path as a designer, which is why I enrolled in the Complete Branding Design Program comprehensive course. I trust the advice he gives me, and I have great respect for the companion. This is just a website worth experiencing.